Hey Josh, how long have you been trading for now?
I started trading in 2009.
Wow, so how many years is that?
We're going on 17 years.
Dang. Okay, so you've been trading for a while. What has been your biggest mistake so far?
My biggest mistake is what took place early on, and then every now and then still haunts me. And that's just simply put, over risking and not giving myself the opportunity to be wrong. And what I mean by that is when I first started trading, I started learning some techniques and some strategies, and I was able to predict where the market was going to go. And I thought it was the coolest thing, right? Go, okay, well, here's where we are, and I think the market's going to go there, and the market actually went there. And so I go, if I would have just risked this much money, I could have made that much money. And so I focused on only the upside. And then what ended up taking place is I would risk all my money in a single trade, and then I would lose all my money in a single trade. And so I blew up a handful of accounts. What that really means when you hear someone say I blew up my account, or it means they lost all their money, right? So I lost all my money several times. And what I realized is, well, I have to afford to be wrong, right? I can't win all my trades. I can't win 100% of the time. And so the moment I understood that success or failure really came after placing 20, 25 trades, meaning that your strategy usually needs enough of a sample size to be able to say it's actually good or it's actually bad. And so what I mean by that is if you place 3 trades and you win 3 trades, you're not a good trader. If you win 3 trades, you lose 3 trades, you're not a bad trader. But if you place 20, 25 trades, if you have a good strategy and you're disciplined, you follow a process, you're going to have losers and winners. But ideally, the ideal outcome is you actually made money after 20, 25 trades. So the moment I understood that, the moment things changed.
Wow, that's great. Thank you, Josh.